Hi, welcome to IM-1. I'm going to be one of the instructors for IM-1 at Adelante. So I wanted to go over our course syllabus. So here you can see our course syllabus, and it will be on our Google Classroom. It's also on the school website, and it is also on our math website. So we have links to it everywhere. So we have 3 teachers, me, Miss Ford. Mr. Pappet's going to teach going to teach 2 IM-1 classes, and I am going to be working with Mrs. Messina this year to do an IM-1. All right, next one. Instructional materials. So you will need a spiral notebook. You are going to be taking notes. We are going to be doing everything on Zoom, so we do want you to take notes as we go over them. If you do not have a spiral notebook, you cannot get one. You can call the office, and they will let you know when you can come in to pick one up. We do have some at the school for you. Other things that would help is that you want to have a pen or a pencil to work with. How else are you going to take notes? Colored pencils do help. Highlighters do help, but not necessary. So IM-1 is broken up into five modules. Usually we're going to be doing the first 2-3 modules, 2.5 modules in the first quarter, and then 2.5 in the second quarter. Every Friday we will have a test that covers what you learned in that week. Okay, next one, attendance. Now this is something that is different, okay? This is a state requirement. In order to be marked present, you must attend to the Zoom meetings, and you will fill out a daily exit ticket. If you do not do both of those, you get a non-productivity. So it means you were absent, and not very good. We will only give out the daily ticket, the exit ticket, the last 15 minutes of class. So you will have to stay in the class for that whole time before you give it out. If you are absent or not participating for 2 days in a row, the office will be contacting you, your parents and guardians to make sure you are right. Remember, attendance, you need to be here. Mondays is a little bit different. So regular classes are between Tuesday and Friday. Mondays are only for students who need extra help. So if you need a little bit extra help, then you want to come in on Monday, or you want to go online on Mondays. Let's see, it's not required to attend except if you're not passing the class. So if you're not passing the class, we do want you to come in or go online, sorry. Still getting used to that. Okay, distance learning expectations. You need to log into Zoom every day. So our Zoom links can be found in 2 different places. One is going to be on your Google Classroom. The other one will be on Aries, so Home Link. It is on there. So right where we have the link for Google Classrooms on Aries, it will also be there. And because we are Adelante Warriors, we want to bring pride to our classroom. So be prepared, be respectful, get involved, discipline yourself, and be efficient. Okay, Zoom expectations. Okay, Zoom expectations. You want to be on time. So log onto your computer a few minutes before the class actually starts. Find a quiet place. Check your surroundings. So make sure you can actually hear. If you can't hear, make sure you find some earbuds or headphones that you can listen to, because we do want to see your face. If you have a black screen, that is not considered attendance, okay, because we can't see if you're actually there. Be prepared. Make sure that your computer is charged. Mine is plugged in whenever I'm using it right now. The camera needs to be on. If it is not working, please let the office know. Use headphones if you need them. So if you're in with a little bit more people around you, make sure you're doing it. Presentation, please make sure you wear appropriate clothing. I don't want to see offensive sayings or anything on your clothes. Remember, be presentable, waist up, sit up straight so we can see you. We don't want to hunched over, and you need to be in camera view. Mute yourself. please. So you want to mute yourself when your teacher or another student is talking, just like if we were in the classroom, one person talking at a time. Please participate. We don't want to be just teaching to people on screens. Be an active participant so you can get the most out of this education. Chat responsibly. Raise your hand if you need to speak. We'll show you how to do that on the first week. Put a question in the chat box if you need it. Communicate. Speak clearly. Look up. I'm trying my camera and I'm reading the paper a little bit off. Stay on topic as much as we can and be respectful. Come on. Okay, here is our class schedule. Okay, so you can see Mondays are a little bit different. So Mondays, if you're in first or second period, teachers will be available from 10:30 to 11:30, so 1 hour. Third and fourth from 12 to 1, they will be available. We also have support after school every single day. That means you can email your teacher, you can ask to get extra help during that time. So, and if you notice it, it's quite a long time. I have to look at that one. Just see a typo. So first period starting Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 8:30 to 9:30, 9:40 to 10:40. And then the third period is 10:50 to 11:50. And if you notice, we have 10-minute breaks between each class. Then we have a 40-minute lunch. Then you have fourth period, okay? Fourth period. And it is to 3 o'clock. So it's not 2 o'clock. Sorry about these. I will get those changed. And Fridays is the same thing. Now, this is also something that has changed. It is how we are grading everything. So daily work is worth 40%. It used to be about 30%. And weekly tests and the final, they're all going to be lumped together. They are now 60. They were a little bit more. So now we've actually, and we used to break them apart. So now they are together. So, and that's it. So hopefully you guys do a good job on this one.